No. Got a certain way of doing this. Good morning. Can't see anything. A bit foggy. Can we get some Pitbull radio going this morning? And that copyrighted music can go right away. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. We're trading the car today. The conversion kit for Lambo doors on this is about $1,500, so I'm deciding against that. Going against my better judgment. So I think we should just go get the real thing instead.
Yep.
Yeah, we got some fog on the road today, and it is 44 degrees, so not optimal weather conditions for this, but it's a beautiful day. You can see the sun through the fog. It's kind of wild. Catch you when we're there. The volume knob is the same as my car. It's basically the same thing. You hold the key and not lose it. Thank you very much. Alrighty, let's go somewhere. I did drive this car in Atlantic City, and it was red light to red light traffic. So now that we're in the open a little more, I suppose we can drive it a little differently, I suppose you could say. I say we give it a little gas then. Jesus. Oh my God, that's an insane feeling. That is so different feeling than like in-city driving.
Yep.
Let's see if...
Nope, it's not going.
Oh my God. And then pull that up. Yep. And now you're good. So don't touch it anymore. There we go. I'm sorry if I woke up your good Christian neighborhood with my noise.
So loud.
I know. Well, you want to go take it on a highway or what? I can't hear you when I stand back there.
I think Ash wants to come look at it really quick.
Oh, sweet. I debated getting Starbucks in it, and then I realized there were no cup holders.
There's no cup holders.
So Jessica couldn't film, and I couldn't drink coffee.
It would have been hot coffee.
It would have been just a recipe for disaster. So we did not go with that original plan. Hope this is all right. Did not clear this with Mr. Eric, but I think he trusts you as a driver. Is that fair to assume? Fitting was my only concern, but you're what, 6'2", 6'3"?
6'2".
Yeah, I'm 6'1", and I'm good. I think that seat's lower than this one.
Yeah, that
like
you're touching the top
yeah.
for sure.
Bye.
What mode is it in right now?
It is in Strata.
So we want to do.
We want to do sport.
There we go.
At least sport. I was ripping in sport the whole time.
Man, this thing is so sad.
Downshifts are my favorite part.
Yeah, that's sick.
You just hit the paddle and just yeah, like that. It's a stock on the left side.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. So it's just like my car, really. It's an Audi.
It is an Audi.
Imagine what that sounds like behind it. And it's nice because from this angle I can't see the speed, so I don't even have to blur anything.
Perfect.
Saves me time when I'm editing.
We actually are going the speed limit.
We are. There's a little bit of traffic. We've been driving. You've been driving for 5 minutes. What's the first 5-minute impression? Quick.
5-minute impression. Visibility sucks. I fit barely. Couldn't fit with a helmet on, but you're never going to track this thing. I mean, I want it. He's selling it. I wish I had $360,000 hanging around that I could, buy this thing with. But God, it is so cool.
Yeah. If you guys are in the market, this car is for sale. That feeling is nuts. Substitute for caffeine in the morning is actually just ripping an Aventador. So for the mere cost of probably 40 years worth of coffee, you could just knock it out with this.
40 years of 7 coffees a day.
Depends if we're talking K-Cups, they're like a $7 Starbucks drink.
Very
True. Whole neighborhood is. Well, now you get to ride in the blue
I've actually
Lambo.
never been in your car.
Really? Jessica's gigundous water bottle.
the half-gallon water bottle.
I thought that was a claw. Thank goodness it's not. Cut the horsepower nearly in half, but we're good. We're rocking with it. I voted. Hope you did too. Ladies and gents, filmed the first part of this video before I sold the car. So obviously we were driving the S5 at that point in time. Realistically, out of the market for the Aventador. If you guys are in the market, it is for sale. Like I mentioned earlier in the video. Real car search. Again, this is not my new car. This is Evan's car. He's let me drive it this week while I am carless and homeless and unemployed and ugly. Real car search is still going down. So hopefully I will have an answer as far as what car I'm getting next. Like today. Keep you guys updated throughout the process of the car search. And then obviously when I take delivery of the car, or in this case, fly to go get it, we'll keep you updated along the way. But thanks very much for watching. If you guys enjoy and want to see more stuff, hit like, subscribe, the whole deal. Until the next one, we'll see you.